my hearing center. Anatomy of the human ear. The human ear is made up of three parts: the outer, the middle, and the inner ear. The outer ear consists of the pinna and the external auditory meatus. The pinna is made from cartilage and protects the delicate middle and inner ear. The shape of the pinna also helps to determine the direction where the sound is coming from. The external auditory meatus collects the sound and directs it to the eardrum. The ear canal leads to the eardrum, called the tympanic membrane. The tympanic membrane is very thin and flexible and has a very rich blood supply. Sound waves arriving through the ear canal will cause the tympanic membrane to vibrate. The louder the sound, the stronger the membrane vibrates. The ossicles in the middle ear consist of three interconnected bones. They connect the tympanic membrane to the oval window inside the cochlea. The bones are called the malleus, or hammer, incus, anvil, and stapes, or stirrup. The malleus is attached to the tympanic membrane, and the stapes sits loosely in the oval window of the cochlea. When sound wave moves the tympanic membrane, it vibrates in response to sound. This vibration is causing the malleus to move, which in turn moves the incus and the stapes. The stapes footplate transfers the vibrations to the fluids in the cochlea. The inner ear has two portions: the vestibular portion, which is concerned with balance, and the auditory portion, which is concerned with hearing. The vestibular portion is made up of three semicircular canals. Each canal has a swelling at one end, the ampulla, and two membranous sacs. These contain fluids and sensory cells, which move in response to head movements. The system works in conjunction with the eyes to continuously maintain our balance. The cochlea is looking like a snail shell. It is wrapped around the acoustic nerve. The cochlea is split into three distinctive sections: the scala vestibuli, the scala media, and the scala tympani. The scala vestibuli and scala tympani contain fluid. The scala media contains endolum fluids. The Reisner's membrane separates the scala vestibuli from the scala media, and the basilar membrane separates the scala media from the scala tympani. Along the basilar membrane are two types of sensory cells or hair cells, the outer and inner cells. These are arranged according to the frequency or pitch they detect and are covered by the tectorial membrane. When sound energy is transferred to the cochlea, the basilar membrane vibrates, causing the hair cells to contact the basilar membrane and bend. This causes an electric charge to travel to the auditory nerve. These impulses travel through the auditory nerve to the brain and is interpreted by us as sound. This very complex system allows us to hear. This was a presentation of my hearing center. For questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.